spot here.
Holy
You ever seen a 918 on the road, dude?
No.
I've never seen a 918.
That is a $1 million vehicle.
Holy crap.
That is a $1 million Porsche. Holy.
Wow. Yeah, boys. Get on the side of that 918. Good, hold it. Just hold up.
They're all as simple as we are.
Yeah, just slow up. Oh, you got a Shelby behind you too. Move over. Get behind a McLaren. Move over one and then let this 918 go again.
And then there's a Supra behind the 918.
Alright.
Holy. Look at that 918.
No way. Alright, you gotta cut the Yaris off. McLaren's charging hard.
I'm following them because they got radar detectors.
You're following them because the cop ain't pulling you over. Oh my god. Supra.
Supra and
Is that sick?
Yeah, I looked at my rear view and there's a 918. What do we got behind me?
Behind you, a Dodge truck?
No, in the right lane.
Over there? I don't know, I can't see. Yeah, some kind of Porsche.
I have a $1 million car in front of me right now.
Yeah, so don't rear end them.
Yeah, no.
Whatever you do, don't rear end them.
Look at the tires on that thing.
Yeah.
It's like the same tires I got. Just a little bigger.
Just like double the size.
Yeah, let me get behind the Audi.
Yeah. Full in line here. You!
Yeah, we got another 911 behind me.
We're in some kind of crazy, we're on our way to another Cars and Coffee and like a Toys for Tots drive, and we're pretty sure maybe these dudes are headed there. I don't know. Look at this guy.
I'd say the Cayman GT4 and the 918 are going to the meet. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say it's a good chance. What kind of McLaren is that?
It's an MD412.
That's an it is, right?
It's $100 grand.
That's $100 grand, and that's 100 grand.
Yeah.
It's $1 million Spider right there. Wow, dude. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, dude. Very.
God, I need one of those.
Wow. Goes the cat in the Audi. GT350. Guys are rolling, man.
Here comes the Cayman.
Cayman.
Here comes the Supra, and then finally the 918.
Stay right in this lane because we're gonna get off. Not this exit, the next one.
And there goes the 918.
918. I think they might be going up another exit, but we're gonna get off right here. To say that we're rolling deep right now would be an absolute understatement. You can't get much deeper than how we're rolling right now.
Look at the heat fuel.
It's just unbelievable.
Look at the heat coming off the exhaust on that.
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh my God. That thing sounds like industrial equipment. Wow, there's that GT2. Nice. Okay, so we're on our way to Car Lofts for their Toys for Tots toy drive they're doing, and there's like, we stopped at Target to pick up a toy because we didn't have anything. We weren't 100% sure if we were coming here today. And walking in, there's like a McLaren, a Lamborghini SVJ, and if you're going to a Cars Toys for Tots, you gotta go with the
GTR.
The GTR Nismo,
yeah,
from Lego. Make some kid's day, man. Hopefully make him a car guy, and hopefully you know, whatever. It's awesome. Yeah. Just awesome.
It's gonna be a good day.
I'm psyched, man. We went from imports and
JDM now to supercars and hypercars.
Yeah, now it's I think it's my first hypercar that I saw on the road, right?
The 918, yeah.
Yeah, the SVJ is a step lower. It's right there.
The SVJ's right there.
It's right there. So in 10 minutes we saw 2 hypercars, and to be rolling with those guys was insane. That was absolutely insane. All right, we're off. My camera's charging. We had a little battery go down due to the weather, due to the fact that it's 30 degrees outside, but we are off to Toys for Tots or Toy Drive, Supercar, Toy Drive, whatever it is, at Karloff's in Fairfield. So heading out. See you when we get there. Peace. Say goodbye, Danny.
Peace.
All right, so we made it. We're here. Hold on. At Karloff's in Jersey. We're all masked up, following the rules. Just dropped off our toy.
Yep.
And we're just gonna check out some cars and then probably
some crazy cars.
Blow out so we give other people a chance to get in. We'll probably just stay for a little while, see it all, and then roll. But look at this, dude.
Yeah, there's 458.
Look at that. He likes his wheels like you like yours. Lettered up. I'll take my coffee.
SVJ right next to him.
There's an SVJ?
Yeah.
There's 2 SVJs, dude.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's nuts. That's a 458?
Yeah, it's a 458.
So obviously you'd have to take the SVJ over the 458. Here you go.
Yeah.
What do you got here?
That's a McLaren Senna.
I mean, dude. Sunday, dude.
I love the glass on the doors.
Look at the wing on this thing, dude.
That wing moves like in every direction.
The MP412C is a really, really nice
gorgeous,
car.
Aren't they?
So the question remains: this or a GTR?
This.
That's it? That quick?
It looks way better.
Yeah, but I don't know, dude.
Where's the 919 go, though? Yeah, it's a 488. Yeah, you're clear on both sides. You're good. All left. Yeah, here you go.
Okay, so favorite cars on the day from the Los Goonies meet this morning.
From the Los Goonies meet, I'd have to say the blue Mark IV Supra was really nice, and then the gray bagged S2000 was
Yeah, it was
awesome.
really nice too. And I'm with you on the Supra.
Yeah.
But I also like that wide body M4.
Okay, yeah.
And I'm not normally a fan of the wide bodies. That one was done right.
Yeah.
And then, geez, dude, from Karloff's, you know how it's not easy.
I don't know where to begin. Definitely the wide body 911 that was inside with the Falcon sponsorship.
Yeah, that was
on that 80 here.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, the Falcon wide body. God, what else?
918, Carrera GT.
Yeah, probably the Carrera GT.
SVJ.
Like multiple SVJs.
Like, how do you decide? Karloff's it's so hard. It's so hard there, but definitely the Carrera GT.
I mean, there's tens of millions of dollars worth of cars there.
I know, and like, you know, you don't really see Carrera GTs on the road.
No.
You don't see 918 on the road. So I'm gonna go with those two. I'm gonna go with the Carrera GT and the 918. I mean,
Yeah.
really, really awesome. Awesome Sunday drive, dude.
Yeah, awesome day.
Thanks for coming along today on another Sunday drive.
Peace.